Cam Doctor vlog is running here. Me Abdul Rauf. This episode is about tools. We have to set up a small workbench with each and every of you, and so that you can these electronics very easily. So I'm not telling you to buy complicated or costly items. Just one soldering machine and a multi-tester and a few screwdrivers, you can start this work. It's at about $100 only. Expense will come, and moreover we want components to make something for experiment. So that what to do with these components are much costly, so no need to buy components. Here in your surroundings you may find these many scrap items, many these electronics gadgets remaining some irreparable work, and somebody abandoned. So you collect that items, then dismantle it. You will get all the needed components from it. So there is a two-way for learning. This components removing is a major learning. When you remove components from a circuit board, extreme care should be taken, because the components should get without any damage, and that board also, if you get it without any damage, you can use it once more. So in my opinion, you collect some such items from some friends or neighbors, so that you can start your this learning very easily. It will give you some idea of setting up a small workbench with a few tools only. So friends, first of all we have to arrange a multi-tester like this. Analog tester this will do. This digital tester you need, but you can arrange it later. A beginner should have one meter like this, analog one, and a precision screwdriver kit this, and a soldering iron, and soldering peripheral items like this soldering paste and soldering lead, and some this type of needle nose plier, and a normal plier, and a cutter like this, and a nose plier. This also nose plier. This nose plier, and some screwdrivers. Long one, leverage long, it is better, and this star tip and minus model also. These all are enough for a beginner. We don't want a big setup for a beginner. Beginner always a few bucks only spend on these tools and these spare parts. Spare parts is nowadays very easily can have from the scrap items. So that my recommendation is, you consult any of your friend or neighbors, they will give you many items like that, so that remove the components from the circuit board and put it in category wise. Some small container is better for keeping these components. Then I will give you some circuit diagrams, schematic diagrams, so that you can assemble some gadgets yourself. Then gradually we can start up the job. That is my idea. So this much is about that. Thank you very much for watching.